Hi, my dear, again. Today we are going to talk about the verb enjoy plus verb ending in ing form. The verb enjoy means disfrutar. In English, some verbs are written with another verb with ending ing. Okay? We have an example. Enjoy plus verb ing. We enjoy playing cards. Notice the verb play plus the ending ing. That forms a gerund form. You cannot use an infinitive after the verb enjoy. Enjoy plus infinitive is not acceptable. Okay? We enjoy to play cards is not acceptable. I enjoy reading. That is correct. We have the main verb read plus ing, but is not acceptable an infinitive. What does it mean? It's not acceptable to use preposition to before the verb. I enjoy to read. No, it's not acceptable. He enjoys going to the cinema. That is right. We have the verb go plus ing. He enjoys to go to the cinema is not acceptable. Observe, my dear. Take in mind. Then we have another verbal form. Like plus verb ing. I like to sleep. Like plus infinitive. We have, in this case, it's acceptable. The preposition to plus another verb. Or we have another way. I like sleeping. I like plus verb ing. We sometimes use like plus infinitive to talk about habits or choices. For example, we have I like to eat chocolate for breakfast. That is a habit, a routine. Then we have like plus verb ing is more common to say you like doing something in general. Para expresar que algo a usted le gusta de modo general, le gusta hacer. I like eating chocolate. I like doing this in general. That's general thing or action, una acción general que a usted le gusta hacer. After these verbs, we use verb ing. Love, enjoy, don't like, hate, and they are followed by gerund form. What I mean, the verb plus ing. Some examples you can hear. I love reading in bed at night. I enjoy playing video games. I don't like getting up early. I hate washing the dishes. Okay? Then we have some examples to see. Okay? Like, hate, love, don't like, plus gerund. We have gustar, odiar, amar. The negative form don't like, and the verb with ing that form gerund. I like, the verb like, reading, that is the gerund, and the complement, books. The negative form, she doesn't like helping me, negative, then the verb like, and then the gerund form. Gerund form means the main verb plus ing. He loves going to the cinema. Loves. Notice that we have the S, letter S. ¿Por qué tenemos letter S in the verb? Porque el sujeto es singular. Remember. Going to the cinema. In question, do you like traveling? The same, the auxiliary do, because the subject is you. The verb like, plus the gerund form, traveling. Main verb, verbo principal, con la terminación ing. Yes, I do. Then with the verb hate, they hate playing games. The verb hate, that is followed by gerund form. Este es el gerundio formado del verbo principal con ing. Estos son los verbos que van acompañados de ing, o sea, de gerund form. Okay, as you can see, remember the verb enjoy, like, hate, loved. For negative, don't like, and then the verb gerund. Okay, don't forget this, my dear students.